Hi, wanna know how to change wallpaper on your Samsung Galaxy S21 FE? So, as a first step, go to your home screen and here hold your finger on any empty place. As a next step, click on this button Wallpaper and Style and then choose Change Wallpapers. Here on this tab, you'll be able to see a lot of suggested wallpapers from Samsung, or if you have a photo that you would like to set as your wallpaper, click on the Gallery tab. Here you'll be able to select item that you can set as your wallpaper. So for example, let's choose this one and then click done. As a next step, you would need to choose where to apply. It can be your lock screen, home screen, or both, but I would like to change only my home screen. Then we click next, and on this tab we would be able to zoom the photo in or out and also add some effects, as you can see. So let's go back and leave it like this. So I click done. And that's it, we have successfully changed the wallpaper on our phone. I hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching.